Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I'm going to be showing you how to empty the dirt cup from the Dirt Devil Power Max XL. I know a few of you were probably wondering that from the last video, so I'm going to go ahead and show you now. All you do is this button right here, it says Dirt Cup. You're going to push it here while holding the top of the vacuum, just anywhere at the top. You're going to press the button and pull the dirt cup away, and then we're going to take it and empty it. Okay, and when you're over the garbage can, you're going to push this button right here and the bottom drops. It's as simple as that. And now I'm going to just take a damp cloth, very minimally damp. Wipe the inside, you see that? And get that extra dust out of there. You can even shake it over the garbage can, tilt it, because there's a couple of little indentions here and sometimes the dust can hold. And you're just gonna wipe out the inside. I'm not gonna do the whole thing on camera, but you get the gist. And wipe out the dust from the sides. Going to close it back up, and now back at the vacuum, you're going to just place it in the bottom and click it back in place. It is that simple. So gone are the days of fighting with the vacuum bag and all of that stuff. It's very simple to empty it, and then you just wipe it clean, and there you go. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you have any additional questions about the vacuum or emptying the dirt cup. And you guys have a great day, and I'll see you right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.